Alright, this is Steve with Apex Home Inspections, and today is Friday, November 25th, 2016, and we are at 14525 Southeast Duke Street in Portland, and we're here today to do an inspection of the sewer line. And as you can see, we're actually outside of the house. Above us is the decking to the front porch, and inside of this little area here is where our sewer line cleanout is. It is a 4-inch black ABS plastic pipe just kind of sticking up out of the ground here. Let's go ahead and drop our camera in there and see if we can't get things pointed in the right direction. Zero off our counter in the upper right hand corner of our screen. That way we'll know how far we've gone, and we'll go ahead and begin our inspection. A couple of quick notes about today's inspection. This home was built in 2005, and we are in a neighborhood of homes where some of the homes were built a little bit earlier, some a little bit later. A little bit of standing water here as we make a transition and angle. And a really steep dive down here. You can tell it's a steep dive because there's water dripping off the lens of our camera. Now we're back to basically a horizontal orientation. Here at 23 feet, we're going to pause for just a moment so that we can take a quick note about the transition in material. Now, we were inside of an ABS line, that's a plastic, and now we're looking at probably a 6-inch concrete line. Go ahead and continue. Okay, that took quite a bit of work to get our camera to advance out to this point. This is the city main that we're looking at. We can tell that because you can see the water running on the bottom corner of our screen. You can see that water running quite quickly, and quite a bit of it. That lets us know that other homes along the street are probably using plumbing fixtures. The reason it was a bit of work is because if we encounter too many turns during the inspection, it actually makes it difficult for our camera to advance. The turns add friction to the cable that we use to run that line. Now, that doesn't mean that the sewer line itself isn't working correctly. It just means that the camera cable has a difficult time pushing its way through that stuff. We did see a little bit of standing debris, which is not ideal, but given the size of the line and the usage that it sees, I'd say that's wholly acceptable. So therefore, here at about 48 feet, just a little underneath 48 feet, we're at the city main. I'm going to go ahead and close out the video, and I'm not going to recommend any further action, as it would appear this sewer line is functioning as it should. Thank you very much.